My staff and I have put together few steps that will keep the pet healthy long-term basis. The most important is the nutrition. A lot of time our pets get overweight because we feed them too much. Study shows 65 to 70% pets are overweight. 1% pets we see in America are underweight. Most people feed them dry food, which has almost 2 times calories than canned food. There's a myth about dry food that dry food causes hard stool, canned food causes loose stool, which is not true. People have a myth that dry food is good for teeth, canned food is bad for teeth. That is also not true. So most people feed their pet dry food, and what we see by the time dog is 7, 8 years old is overweight pet with bladder stones, with bladder infections. It's important to add some water to the dry food so the pet get hydrated, and they make a little more urine, they get less urinary infection. Companies want to sell a lot of food. On the label they put the amount to be fed is more than pet usually need. Most pets need 10 to 15% less than what the bag says, depends on the activity of the pet. If the pet does not do a lot of calories, they need to be fed a limited amount of the food. You need to rub your hands on pet's ribs. If you don't feel the ribs, that's the overweight pet. If you see the ribs from a distance, that's the underweight pet. The second common thing most people don't know is parasite control. Some of the parasite can be contagious to people. Actually, study shows hundreds and thousands of people get parasite from their pets. 90% people don't know that. 20% cat owners are tested positive to toxoplasma. Hundreds of kids are gonna get parasite in their eyes. So you wanted to talk to your vet how to control the parasites. External parasites mainly are fleas, ticks, mosquitoes, flies, they need to be prevented. Internal parasite, roundworm, hookworm, whipworm, coccidia, giardia. Some of those parasites can be contagious to people. Some parasite people can transmit to the pets too. So it's very important to have your vet test your pet's stool sample and find out what kind of pet worm has and deworm them accordingly. Next step is to take care of your pet's skin. Some people bathe their pet 1 to 2 days apart, which is a little too much. Some people don't bathe their pet for months. Pet that does not get bathed often, they tend to get skin problems. If someone asks me, doctor, what's the number 1 disease you treat? It's the skin disease all over the country. Because people don't brush their pet's teeth, people don't bathe their pet often. Brushing and bathing is very important. Controlling parasite is important. Training your pet to get the nails done, training your pet to get the anal sac clean, training you get your pet to get ear clean early age is important. Next one is spaying, neutering pets. There are 10 million pets get put to sleep each year in America. It's a shame that our shelters are full of animals. There are a lot of irresponsible pet owners that do not spay, neuter their pet. My thanks to pet organizations, spay, neuter clinics, non-profit organizations. They put together such a low cost to spay, neuter a pet. And most veterinarians charge very little to spay, neuter a pet. It's important that we don't bring new pets. The shelters are full of animals. Please take time to visit your shelter. Please adopt those pets. They need loving family homes too. Spayed and neutered pet will live a longer life, and spayed, neutered pet owners will spend less money on medical bills. Dental care is as important in pets as in humans. People who floss their teeth live a longer life. Pets who get their dental done live a longer life. Once teeth are cleaned, you need to do some sort of home dental care. Brushing, there's oral rinse, there is chemicals that you add in drinking water, there are chew toys, the chew things that helps the pet to get their teeth clean at home. Next step is to get your pet trained. A lot of time people get a pet. Puppies are cute and cuddly, they smell good. But they don't spend time in training the pet. Pet need training. By the time dog gets 6, 7, 8 years old, they're chewing, they're digging, they're pooping, peeing all over. they're jumping on gas, people take it to the shelter. So training is as important as anything else. Proper vaccination is another part of good pet health care. Sometimes we see pets are over-vaccinated, but most of the time they're not properly vaccinated. Not every dog needs every vaccine made for the dog, but the basic core vaccinations are important. Talk to your veterinarians. What important vaccination your pet needs depends on the lifestyle of your pet. Some pets will travel, some pets go for hiking, camping, some pets are strictly indoor. Indoor pets don't need a lot of vaccinations. Indoor pets need just the core vaccination. Outdoor pets need certain more vaccination. So proper nutrition, proper parasite control, proper skin care, proper dental care, spaying, neutering your pet, and training your pet. All these things adds up to a healthy long-term pet.